Welcome back to the chapter Heights and Distances of first standard 10. So we are doing the applications of trigonometry. So let's read the question and draw the figure. From the top of a hill, the angle of depression of two consecutive kilometer stones due east are found to be 30 and 45 degrees. Find the height of the hill. So now let this is the ground and let this be the hill. So AB is the hill. And now here it is angle of depression, that is from the top of the hill the stones are observed from the top of the hill of two consecutive kilometer stones due east. So east means this side. So two stones are there. So one is here and one is at this place. And the angle of depression is found to be 30 and 45. So the first one, so now we have to draw a line parallel to this is very important, parallel to the ground. So now this angle is 30 degrees and this angle will be 45 degrees. This is a smaller angle, so this is 30 and this is 45. Now let A, B, C and D. Now we have to find now these two lines are parallel, so we can write this angle as 45 and this angle as, we can write this as and this as 30 degrees, because these two are parallel lines and this is a transversal, so alternate interior angles are equal. So this Z, you have to see this Z. Similarly with this, so this is 45 degrees, so this is 45 degrees. So you have to be very careful in doing that, writing the angles. And now we will find, now we have to find the height of the hill. So now here this distance is 1. CD is equal to 1 because it is consecutive kilometer stones. That means every kilometer there are stones are kept. So distance between the two stones will be 1 kilometers. So CD is equal to C and D are the stones. So CD is equal to 1 kilometer. So now we have to find AB. So height of the hill AB is what we have to find. So now we will write tan 45 is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So AB by AC. Now tan 45 is 1. So 1 equal to AB by AC. So that implies AB equal to AC. So this is, we'll just leave that. And now coming to, so in tan 45, that is in triangle BAC. Now in triangle BAD, we will take tan 30, because here we are taking tan because we don't want the hypotenuse, the length of this. This is of no use. We have to find the height of the hill. So tan 30 is equal to AB by AD. So tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to AB by AD. Yeah. So AB can be written as AC by AD can be written as AC plus CD is 1. CD is 1. Yes. Now we will cross multiply this. So AC plus 1 is equal to root 3 AC. So we will bring AC to one side. So root 3 minus 1 into AC is equal to 1. So AC is equal to root 1 by root 3 minus 1. Now, but and AC and AB are same. So AB is also, therefore height of the hill AB is equal to 1 by root 3 minus 1. So that we will again rationalize. For rationalizing, we have to write the conjugate. That is, if this is minus, we will write this as plus. If this is plus, this here minus. So this will become root 3 plus 1 by 3 into 3, a plus b into a minus b. So a squared minus b squared. So 3 minus 1, 2. So root 3 plus 1 by 2. So this is, we know 1.732. So 2.732 by 2. So 1.36. 6. So 1.37. So approximately AB is equal to height of the 1.4 meters. Sorry, kilometers. I'm sorry. At a point on a level ground, the angle of elevation of a vertical tower is found to be such that its tangent is 5 by 12. So this is the ground, a vertical tower. So this is AB. So AB is the tower. So in exam you have to write, either you have to mark it here or write it down as which is a tower. Suppose building, tower, etc. Everything will be there in the same problem. So you have to specify it clearly. So AB is the tower. So from some point the tangent is 5 by 12. That is okay. So from here he is observing the tower, top of the tower. So the tangent here is, suppose let this be alpha. So it is given tan alpha is equal to 5 by 12. On walking 192 meters towards the tower. So this is from here, again this is the tower. So he is walking towards the tower. So he is reaching at this point CD. So CD is 192 meters. CD is equal to 192 meters. The tangent of the angle of elevation is 3 by 4. So here when he reaches and observing the tower, let this be beta. So tan beta is equal to 3 by 4. So now these are the details we have. Find the height of the tower. Now we have to find AB. So we will first start with, it is similar to the previous problem. So tan alpha is equal to opposite side by, so let us put this as x. And AB is equal to h. So tan alpha is equal to h by, so in triangle BCD, in triangle BCD, tan alpha is equal to AB by AC, that is equal to H by x plus 192. In triangle BDA or BAD, tan beta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So AB by AD, that is H by x. Now we have tan alpha is equal to 5 by 12 and tan beta is equal to 3 by 4. So we will write H is equal to, from this H is equal to 3x by 4. So this is 1 and 2. Now we will substitute the value of 2 in 1. So H is equal to 3x by 4. So H into 12H is equal to 5 into x plus 192. So 12 into 3x by 4 is equal to 5 into x plus 192. So 9x, then 9x minus 5x is equal to 5 into 192, 960. So 4x is equal to 960. So x is equal to 240 meters. Yes. Now we have to find the height. Now substitute in this. So h is equal to 3x by 4. So 3 into 240 by 460, 180 meters. So we have to find the height of the tower. So height of tower is equal to 180 meters. As observed from the top of a lighthouse, 100 meters above the sea level. So first we will draw the figure. So this is the sea level. This is the top of the lighthouse. So A, B. So AB is the lighthouse. 100 meters above the sea level. So AB is 100. Angle of depression of a ship sailing directly towards it changes from 30 to 45. That means the ship is here. So BC. Now it is now angle of depression. So we have to draw a line parallel to the ground. So this depression, this is 30 degrees. Now it is moving towards the tower. So the ship is here now. Now the angle of depression changes to, this is 45 degrees. Now this is 30 degrees. So this will become 30 degrees and this will become 45 degrees. Determine the distance travelled by the ship during the period of observation. Now we have to find this distance, that is A, B, C, D. So CD is what we have to find. So we will first start with triangle BAD. In triangle BAD, tan 45 is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is AB by AD. So here you will get 1 equal to tan 45 is 1, AB we have 100 by ADS, we will write down as AD. So from this you get AD is equal to 100 meters. Yes, 100 meters. Now in triangle BAC, tan 30 is equal to AB by AC. So now we have to find this distance CD. So let this be X. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Yes, right. 1 by root 3 is equal to AB is 100 by AC is equal to AD plus CD, and AD we know it is 100, so 100 plus X. So 100 by 100 plus X. So we cross multiplying, 100 plus X is equal to 100 root 3. From this you will get X is equal to 100 root 3 minus 100, that is equal to 1.732 or 1.73 into 100. So you get, okay, I'll write it down, minus 100. So 173 minus 100, it is 73 meters approximately. So that is what we have to find CD. So the distance travelled by ship is equal to 73 meters. See you with more problems in my next video. Bye for now.